'Cause I've been through this before, and it hurts when love fails. It hurts me so bad the time that I wasn't able to sleep. Tears are falling from my eyes and I'll never notice it. It hurts me so bad that I never wanted to leave. Thank you so much, everyone.